they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So
hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this, I don't know what to call it, asymmetrical something or other. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it, but I will call it something. I mean, obviously, you clicked on the video, you know what it's called. It's a surprise to me right now. And then we're making blueberry spritzers. I'm super excited. Sound delicious, perfect for summer. So stay tuned for that, and then I will do this makeup tutorial in a really quick way. Bam, 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 bam. All of the products will be listed down below. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you. And please leave comments down below. Whatever, if you just want to say hi, if you want to say a suggestion for the next video, I'd love to see that. And I hope that you're having a great day, and I will see you later. Okay, so I'm gonna start on this cocktail. It is a blueberry spritz, and I'm going to take, what am I taking first? Blueberries into a shaker glass, and I'm going to muddle them because I do not have unsweetened blueberry juice. So I'm just gonna make my own. Take a lot and go ahead and muddle those down. You can add mint or basil or whatever. Oh, I'll add some lime. 1 ounce of gin. I have the Hendrix gin because it's the best, in my opinion. And ice, not too much, but I just want to strain it because that's a lot of blueberries. I don't want it that chunky. 4 ounces of champagne. This calls for Prosecco, but I don't have that. We got Mum Napa Cuvée. Oh gosh. Pour that directly into this glass. It has the gin and the blueberries. You top with club soda. I will add a lime wheel. Oh, that's good. It is not too sweet. I didn't add any sugar. So for those of y'all that are on a limited sugar diet, this is a delicious cocktail for you. If you didn't use the blueberry juice like from the store that has some added sugar. So this one does not. And it's super fresh, super great for the summer. Just super all around, super, super, super.
on my mind, so say it with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. Like our love is what they talk about, what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So makes me feel the same.